I wanted to show you today in a super quick video how you can export the splats that you have generated from SAM3D on the playground from Meta and export it into an editing software like SuperSplat to use it in your project, and of course even view it in VR, since these files nowadays have become absolutely tiny thanks to the new file format from SuperSplat. So let me guide you quickly through it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the playground. You will find the link in the description and then create a 3D scene. You can pick an image or other upload your own. Let's say that I get this one from the sample. And at this point, before selecting an object, I suggest you to, and this is very important, open the side panel here. And with is, for example, F12 on your keyboard. At this point, you go to the network tab here and then start selecting an object. So let's imagine, for example, I want these slippers. You select the object and then you will see here, of course, that there is some stuff popping up. You can click Generate 3D and then you will see that there is a file that is of a bigger size, so to say, that will be generated here. And we have here of this file that is 4.4 megabytes. It's super easy. At this point, you can just right click and then open in a new tab. This will automatically create a new file that will be downloaded on your PC. So after you have downloaded the file, the only thing you need to do is rename it however you want, in this case slippers, and add .ply at the end of the file. And really that's about it. Now what you can do is just bring it in SuperSplat and you are ready to go, and you can use and edit your file inside SuperSplat. And of course, in SuperSplat, you can do quite a lot of things, but here the idea is just that if you want to assemble a scene, there are a couple important things to consider. First of all, you need to have the objects at the ground level, so you can always move them up and down and have them aligned around the grid. And of course, scales is also very important. You can, of course, use the measuring tool that has been recently added to see, for example, and have an idea of how big these objects are in real world scale. Once you are done with that, you can just publish the scene. You can go to File, Publish, rename it however you want, and hit Publish. And that's it. At this point, you can just copy the link, send it to your headset using hmd.link. Go to this same website on your headset and you will have the link that you can directly click there. The link will then appear in your headset after you go to hmd.link, click on it, and you can scroll a little bit down and then open it in VR or mixed reality. And so now you have the splats that can be viewed in mixed reality as well. And here is the sweater, here is our lovely slippers, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you use it for something cool.